So how to get evolution shards in Clash Royale. As you can see, I have quite a lot of different cards as evolutions, and in today's video I will show you how you can actually get the same. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. First off, the by far easiest way of actually getting evolution shards would be through the Pass Royale. Of course, there are also ways of obtaining these for completely free, which I'm going to go over, but by default with the Pass Royale, you're always going to get the newest evolution completely filled out. So you're going to get all of the 6 evolution shards. Now, if you are free to play, the easiest ways of actually finding evolution shards would be, first of all, through level ups. So right here, as you can see, you are going to have both level up chests as well as evolution shards, which you are going to get depending on your level up journey. So this is basically the easiest way of finding evolution shards, and as you can see, you are going to receive quite a lot right here. Now also, by default, you can actually get evolution shards through your day-to-day chests. So you can just use these daily rewards, and with some luck, you are actually going to get evolution shards. And thirdly, although this feature right now is disabled, as you can see, by default, you usually would have some events where you could actually earn evolution shards. But overall, it has gotten quite hard to actually get these evolution shards for free. I would recommend you to try to level up as fast as possible, and if you have some luck, you can actually also obtain them in the daily rewards. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.